And talking about the Mahakumbh festival, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has attacked the opposition. He says some people have a habit. They say don't use the corona vaccine but got themselves vaccinated. Now the same people are secretly visiting the Triveni Sangam and they're also taking the holy dip but are also asking people not to visit the Kumbh festival. Listen in to what the Chief Minister had to say as he takes on the opposition once again.
कुछ लोगों की आदत है, चोरी छिपे उन लोगों ने कोरोना की वैक्सीन लगवाई लेकिन दुनिया को कहते रहे मत लगाओ। ऐसे ही चोरी छिपे वो तो आज के दिन पे बहुत कोई छुप नहीं सकता। चोरी छिपे चुपचाप संगम में डुबकी लगा करके आ गए, लेकिन जनता जब पुण्य का भागीदार बनने के लिए स्नान करने के लिए जा रही है, कह रहे मत जाओ मत जाओ।
And I'm joined by my colleague Arun Dhanda on the broadcast. So Arun, even in the wake of the stampede, it seems Yogi Adityanath has changed the narrative surrounding the Mahakumbh festival, given the fact that it's still making waves across the globe with people from around the world taking part in this grand festival in Prayagraj, and at the same time taking that opportunity to target the opposition as the Mahakumbh festival continues to break records.
Well, that's right. The most recent swipe of Yogi Adityanath is on Akhilesh Yadav, because remember, Aishman, even yesterday, Akhilesh Yadav spoke in the parliament and raised questions on the Mahakumbh there in Prayagraj. He spoke about the traffic jams, the difficulty which people are facing there, and in fact said that there is no point to go to Mahakumbh in such a chaos. And I think that's the reason why you see this response coming from Yogi Adityanath, where he was hitting out at Akhilesh Yadav, because remember, during the corona time, Akhilesh Yadav was the one who in fact raised questions on the vaccine. And now Yogi Adityanath saying that these people who are secretly going to Triveni Sangam and taking the holy dip now asking people not to visit Mahakumbh. So I think this banter and the politics on Mahakumbh between Yogi Adityanath and Samajwadi Party Akhilesh Yadav have been going on. But the argument which the Chief Minister is presenting is that at that point in time when these leaders are asking people not to go to Prayagraj for Mahakumbh, we have more than 50 crore people have already taken dip in Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj.
So clearly Yogi Adityanath taking on the opposition for peddling soft Hindutva, saying that they are Chunavi Hindus. Remember the statement that was made famous by him during the Lok Sabha elections in 2024. Once again taking the opportunity of the success of the Mahakumbh festival to take on the opposition. Let's listen into more reactions coming in.
किस तरह की तैयारी आप लोगों ने की है अब कि ऐसे ही सामान्य बना रहे?
देखिए, महाकुंभ पर्व में करोड़ों की संख्या में श्रद्धालुओं ने आकर यहाँ पर स्नान किया है और पीछे कुछ दिनों में खास तौर पे वीकेंड पे भारी संख्या में वाहनों का जनपद में आगमन हुआ था। हमारी जो ट्रैफिक योजना है वो कई माह से उसको तैयार किया गया, जिसमें अलग अलग मार्गों से आने वाले वाहनों को अलग अलग पार्किंग्स में डायरेक्ट करने की योजना है और उसका उद्देश्य यही है कि जो भी श्रद्धालुगण आते हैं उनका जो अनुभव है वो सुगम रहे, सरल रहे, सुखद अनुभव रहे। उसी के दृष्टिगत जो भी पीछे हमारे लिए चैलेंजेस आए यातायात संचालन में, उनको हमने पुलिस व्यवस्था को सुदृढ़ करके तुरंत रिजॉल्व किया है और आने वाले दिनों में आज भी आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत सुचारू रूप से यातायात चल रहा था।